Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how can you download Postman on your computer. So for downloading Postman, you have to click on Window key or can say open Google Chrome. So now search on Google Postman. Then go to this link download Postman. Then go to this link download for Windows. So here you can see downloading has been started. So as I have already downloaded it, so I have cancelled it. So here you can see Postman is already downloaded on my computer. So after downloading this, you have to double click it to install it and just wait. So here you can see a pop-up is showing of Postman. So here you can see the Postman has been launched. Now you can sign up for free to start using Postman and start testing your backend through it. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.